GATE program is a one-day program, 4.5 hours long, to train and assess individuals and set them up to succeed in manufacturing positions. When candidates come into the GATE program, there are 3 sections. The first section, we test them on comprehension. The second section, we test them on manual dexterity, where they are assessed to make sure they can do the work, but also they can see what the work itself may be like. And then the third section, we train them on processes involved in manufacturing that they need to know to be successful on these positions. And then at the end, we give them certificates of completion.
The program is important for 2 reasons. One is, companies need candidates to fill the pipeline of open positions. Taking GATE program graduates will allow them to fill that pipeline much faster and get products out the door and into the hands of their customers more efficiently and in a timely fashion. For candidates, it's a fantastic opportunity. Because of that skill shortage, there's so many open jobs. If they go through this program, find a passion for the space, they can really excel in manufacturing and distribution and create opportunity and enrichment for themselves.
GATE has brought a more skilled, trained workforce for us. They do the necessary training up front, so when they come to the facilities, they're already ready to go. We can put them on the floor. The training curve is cut down to a short period of time, and it just helps us be more productive and efficient when we're getting our manufacturing going.
The greatest joy has been to see the benefit for our clients. You've got supervisors and managers that are able to teach, train, and mentor rather than going over some of the basics, because GATE program graduates already have the basics. The results, which encouraged us to invest even more in our expansion, have been simply unmatched. Some clients have seen double of production output in 12.5% less time. And candidates are more likely to succeed compared to those candidates that simply have not gone through the program. So much so that many of the companies that are exposed to GATE program graduates will only hire GATE program graduates because of the reduced training time and increased efficiency that happens probably within a 2-week period.